Good morning, children. Today I want to explain about the effects of climate change. Because of climatic changes, we do not get timely rainfall, which leads to drought. Heavy cyclone tsunamis may occur. The melting of ice in the polar region leads to rise in ocean levels, and places near the seashore may be submerged. The waters in the sea is getting warmer, which leads to the death of aquatic plants and animals. See here, effects of climate, na? Effect of climate change. See, cyclones. No, cyclones means what? Strong winds with rain that blow in a circular direction. Tsunamis means what? It comes in seashore areas, in seas, okay, oceans, seas, okay. The melting of ice, polar regions means ice regions anamata. Polar region, south pole region, okay, least rise in ocean level, and places near the seashore may be submerged, okay. The waters in the sea is getting warmer, which leads to the death of aquatic plants and animals. Aquatic plants and animals means what? Any kind of animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Plants also, any kind of plants that live in water is called aquatic plants. Animals is also, okay. See, observe this picture. Floods means varadalu. I told now in first lesson. Floods means what? Varadalu. This is melting of ice. These are the effects of the climate. Effects of climate change. These are the effects. What are the effects? Floods, melting of ice, forest fires, drought. Na? See, all these adverse effects are because of our greedy activities. We cut trees for our buildings, use vehicles that causes air pollution, release harmful chemicals, sewage in water, use plastic in large quantity which do not degrade, thereby causing damage to the earth. What happened here? All these adverse effects. What are the adverse effects? Means floods, melting of ice, forest fires, droughts. These are the greedy activities. Greedy అంటే ఆశతో ఏమో చేయాలని ఇవన్నీ యాక్టివిటీస్ అనమాట. వి కట్ ట్రీస్ ఫర్ అవర్ బిల్డింగ్స్ కోసం కట్ చేయడము, వెహికల్స్ నుంచి వచ్చే ఏదైతే ఎయిర్ ఉంటుందో అది ఎయిర్ పొల్యూషన్ చేయడము, కెమికల్స్, పెద్ద పెద్ద ఫ్యాక్టరీస్ నుంచి కెమికల్స్ ఉన్న ఎయిర్ రావడము, ఆ కెమికల్స్ ఉన్న వేస్టేజెస్ అంతా వాటర్లో కలవడము. దీస్ ఆర్ ద సో మెనీ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లైమేట్ చేంజ్ అనమాట. Let us stop a while and think of activities to save our world. Say no to plastic and use eco-friendly material. Eco-friendly materials అంటే తెలుసు కదా మనకు, ప్లాస్టిక్ యూస్ చేయకుండా వాడేటు అనమాట. లెటస్ స్టాప్. ఈ క్లైమేటిక్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లైమేట్ చేంజ్ కాకూడదు అంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? లెటస్ స్టాప్ ఎ వైల్ అండ్ థింక్ ఆఫ్ యాక్టివిటీ టు సేవ్ అవర్ వరల్డ్. అంటే యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏవేవి మనకు? డిఫారెస్టేషన్ చేయడము, తర్వాత ఫ్యాక్టరీస్, పెద్ద పెద్ద ఫ్యాక్టరీస్ నుంచి వేస్టేజెస్ బయటికి రావడం, ఇవన్నీ జరుగుతున్నాయి. అవన్నీ స్టాప్ చేయాలి. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటి? సే నో టు ప్లాస్టిక్ అండ్ యూజ్ ఈకో ఫ్రెండ్లీ మెటీరియల్స్. మనం ప్లాస్టిక్ యూజ్ చేయకుండా ఈకో ఫ్రెండ్లీ మెటీరియల్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. సి హియర్ పెన్స్నా. సి ఆర్ ద యూస్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాస్టిక్ పెన్స్ ఈకో ఫ్రెండ్లీ? These plastic pens are eco-friendly? No, na? Along with your friends, search for use and throw pens in your school ground. Collect them and count how many are there. This is let us do. Next, see, this is what is the correct way of to bring food items. This is the correct way or this is the correct way? This is the correct way to bring food items from outside. Okay, see, nowadays we are carrying curries and other food materials in plastic covers. In some areas, people bring even hot tea in covers, which is most dangerous to our health. Hence, we should carry containers that are harmless. Drinking anything hot in a substandard plastic cup and eating food in plastic plates is injurious to health. Some chemicals may dissolve in the hot liquid or food. Newspapers are widely used as food packing materials in hotels and by street vendors. The uses of newspapers is also not good for health. The printing inks used for printing newspaper are not safe. Avoid such uses. See, nowadays we are carrying food items from outside na, in plastic covers. What is curries, sambar, gobis, noodles we are taking from outside with covers. These are the harmful. Plastic is a harmful effect of our climate na. So our health also. Plastic is very harmful for our health also. So avoid plastics. Avoid plastics. If you want to bring one curry or sambar, bring one tiffin box along with you and take it in your box. That's all. But don't bring curry, sambars. Nowadays bring teas, coffees also in plastic covers. So these are all avoid. Okay. See, and also eating, drinking water, drinking trees, drinking tea, and also eating food in plastic papers also. No, avoid these activities. Okay, use steel plates to eat food. Use steel cups or glass cups are used to drink coffee or milk. Okay. What happened to the soil if it fully covered with the plastic? What happened? There is no crops on the earth. No water, no excess of water is removed. No, so what? Think what happened? What happened to the soil? Soil ఏమైపోతుంది? మొత్తం సాయిల్ అంతా ప్లాస్టిక్తో ఫుల్ అయిపోతుంది. అప్పుడు ఏమైపోతుంది? ఇఫ్ ద సాయిల్ ఈజ్ ఫుల్లీ కవర్డ్ విత్ ప్లాస్టిక్, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? ఇట్ విల్ డిగ్రేడ్ ద సాయిల్. ఇట్ విల్ మేక్ సాయిల్ యూస్లెస్. We cannot grow crops on that soil. We cannot grow crops on that soil. We cannot grow crops on that soil. ఆ ప్లాస్టిక్ కవర్ అయిన సాయిల్ మీద క్రాప్స్ పండుతాయా? అస్సలు పండవన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్, యూజువలీ వీ యూజ్ మెటీరియల్స్ సచ్ యాజ్ పెన్స్, ప్లేట్స్, కవర్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ థ్రోన్ అవే after use. They are made up of plastic. This discarded material cannot be decomposed. These materials are dumped in and around the canals, tanks, thereby polluting the water. The thrown away food remains in plastic covers and are eaten by animals, which make them sick. So let us avoid using such things. So you also avoid such things. Okay, gradually you have to reduce using of plastic. Okay, see, read and respond. Read the following news items and respond to questions given below. See here, what is the news here? Okay, you observe in your textbook, it is clearly you understood. Okay, see, read the following news item and respond to the questions. What does the news item refer to? What does the item refer to? Means the bushfire had a devastating effect in Australia. What is the answer of this question. What does the news item refers to means the bush fire had a devastating effect in Australia. Next, what is the cause for this incident? What is the cause? Global warming. Global warming is one of the biggest cause of devastating effect in Australia. This is the breaking news 2020 6th January. Breaking news Australia bushfires. Bushfire in Australia is occurred on which January 6th in 2020. See, the earth value is warming up day by day, which is called global warming. What is meant by global warming means the earth value is warming up day by day, which is called global warming. Nowadays, we frequently witness forest fire due to excess of heat in the atmosphere. Forest fire cause large scale damage to plants and animals. The green cover is destroyed, leading to increase in temperatures. It is also caused by irresponsible man-made activities like burning garbage or wood, etc. So, this Australia bushfire is one of the biggest cause of global warming. See, nowadays we frequently witness forest fire due to excess of heat in the atmosphere. So the forest will burn and so many forest animals was died. Trees are also damaged. So we have to stop that global warming. Do you know? Through rich people use air conditioner, refrigerators, etc., which contribute to climate change. Poor people become the biggest victim. Rainfall during unexpected time may lead to loss of income of the poor roadside workers. Developed countries contributes maximum to the climate change, but developing countries are the ones which are affected drastically. So, rich people use air conditions, na? Poor people have air conditions, no, na? So there are so many affected from cyclones, floods. So many poor people only affected from these changes. But these changes comes from rich peoples only. So we have to avoid these global warmings, climatic changes. Okay. Then say, do you know discriminate use of natural resources such as water, coal, petrol are the main reasons for climatic change. Refrigerators, air conditions, motor vehicles are also causes for global warming as they emit harmful chemicals. See, natural resources, water, coal, petrol are the main reasons for climate change. రిఫ్రిజిరేటర్స్ వాడడము, ఎయిర్ కండిషన్స్ వాడడము, ఎక్కువగా మోటార్ వెహికల్స్ వాడడం, దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో ద కాజెస్ ఫర్ గ్లోబల్ వార్మింగ్. Okay children, next class we will discuss about green world, deforestations. Okay, thank you, bye.